Today, peanut butter is among the most preferred protein snacks, especially for fitness enthusiasts. However, nutritionists like Bhuvan Rastogi feel that there are many other snacks that are healthier than peanut butter and also contain a sizable portion of healthy fats. He took to Instagram to talk about one such option, a traditional Maharashtrian snack called ukadeliya shenga or boiled groundnuts. Peanut butter is now in fashion, but Indians have our own versions of peanut snacks that provide the same benefits. Ukadeliya shenga means boiled groundnuts. Just lightly crack the peanut shells and boil them in a pressure cooker for 3-6 whistles. This is a common snack in Marathi households and it is even available on the streets. In North India, roasted groundnuts are a common snack, he captioned his post. So, peanut butter or boiled groundnuts, which is better for your health? Let's go to the video to find out. For the unserved, peanuts are a great source of protein. They also contain other healthy nutrients, minerals, antioxidants and vitamins. The amino acids in the protein are needed for growth and development, experts suggest. Rastogi further mentioned that peanut butter is nothing but milled roast groundnuts with no additives. 100 grams peanuts without husk or 100 gram peanut butter provide 21 to 24 grams protein and 50 to 52 gram fat with about 600 calories. They provide nearly twice the amount of fats. Same trend is seen for most nuts, nut butters and even nut-based milks. They are a good auxiliary source of protein. I wouldn't recommend having them as your primary source and trying to complete your daily protein needs by just these sources, he added, stressing that for 50 grams protein, one ends up with nearly 100 grams fat, which is 800 calories just from fats, about 1200 calories in total. He highlighted the need to make healthier choices. When trying to use nuts complete to a major chunk of needs, the rest of the diet becomes very restrictive, he noted. Agreed food therapist Dr. Ria Banerjee and mentioned that peanut butter has suddenly become so overrated. The problem is everyone can't have it because it's very high in calorie and we need to know when and how to eat it as well. What is the point of avoiding ghee but having loads of peanut butter? Boiled groundnuts, on the other hand, are legumes, Dr. Ria mentioned. They are extremely beneficial because they have carbohydrates, good fats, proteins and fiber as well, she told. Nutritious and packed with antioxidants, boiled peanuts are an excellent source of energy. A half cup of boiled peanuts contains approximately 286 calories with no cholesterol. Vitamins E and B, which are crucial for the growth and development of muscles and organs, are also present in boiled peanuts. Your daily thiamine needs can be met with just half a cup of boiled peanuts. It offers minerals such as magnesium, which is a nutrient that must be included in everyday meals. Additionally, it contains minerals, phosphorus, and small traces of zinc. Due to their nutritious value, raw and roasted peanuts have higher calorie counts than boiled ones. Health coach and nutritionist Anupama Menon told. Also, they contain a lot of flavonoids which shield the body's cells from damage. Further, it lowers the risk of developing chronic conditions including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. The boiled form of peanuts contains far more fiber than the dry roasted form, said Menon. However, people who have issues like irritable bowel syndrome or have a tendency to feel bloated and gassy should stay away from it, Dr. Ria added. How much quantity of peanuts can one have, and at what time? It's a hotly contested issue because it also depends on whether eating peanuts at night suits your gut or not. This is because they increase satiety. Peanuts should be eaten first thing in the morning before breakfast, especially if you want to lose weight. Eating them in moderation as part of balanced diet may help reduce your weight and improve health, said Menon. What are the health risks of eating raw peanuts, groundnuts, neither boiled nor roasted? According to Israel Ramirez, biopsychologist, roasted or cooked peanuts probably aren't safer than raw peanuts. There are two health concerns with peanuts. Roasting seems to reduce one but enhance the other somewhat. Peanuts and other foods that haven't been stored correctly or grown in very moist soils may become moldy. Molds can produce a poison called aflatoxins that can cause liver cancer. Two species of mold, Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, are especially troublesome. These grow mainly in tropical countries. This is not a big concern for peanuts grown in the US, but may be an issue in other countries. Roasting reduces aflatoxins somewhat, so it would decrease your risk slightly in countries where moldy peanuts are a problem. Peanuts have proteins that some people are very allergic to. Some people have even died from eating peanuts. Some of the allergens in peanuts become more stable and less digestible after roasting, so raw peanuts might be slightly safer. These studies are based on the chemical properties of peanut proteins in test tubes. I don't think anyone has tried challenging people having allergies to peanuts with raw and roasted peanuts, he says. The bottom line is that if you live in a country where moldy peanuts aren't common and you aren't allergic to peanuts, eating raw, boiled and roasted peanuts shouldn't be a problem. In this video, we reviewed peanut butter or boiled groundnuts, which is better for your health. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.